Now we are solving some exercise related questions. Questions is which the following expression are polynomial and which are not. Write the reason for your answer. Okay, in this question we have to find out which expression are polynomial and which are not. Okay, now first is 4x square minus 3x plus 5. It is a polynomial as the power of the variable is whole number, and we know that what is whole number. Whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole number is non-negative integers. Okay, and second one is z plus 3 by z. It is equal to the z plus 3 into z inverse. Okay, because 3 by z we can write it z inverse. Okay, it is not a polynomial as the power z is not a whole number, because power of z is minus 1, and minus 1 is not a whole number. Okay, now third is square root y plus 2y plus 3, and we know that square root of y means 1 by 2. It means y's power is 1 by 2 plus 2y plus 3. It is not a polynomial as the power of y is 1 by 2, and which is not a whole number, because power of y is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Now second question, write the coefficient of x square of the following. Okay, we have to find out the coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x square is means remaining part of x square. Okay, see, first question is 3x square plus 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Here the power of x is same in first and second term, so it will be 3 plus 2 is 5x square plus 3x plus 2. So the remaining part of x square is 5. It means coefficient of x square is 5. Remaining part of x square is 5, na? Okay, see here, this is the remaining part of x square, and which is 5. Okay, now second question is 2 minus second question is 2 minus 5x square plus 1 by 2x cube. Okay, and coefficient of x square, it means remaining part of x square. Remaining part of x square is minus 5. So the coefficient of x square is minus so the coefficient of x square is minus 5. See question number 3. In the following write the coefficient of x and constant term. In this question we have to find out the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means remaining part of x in given polynomial expression. Okay, now see, first is x square plus 1 by 5x plus 5. Here the remaining part of x is 1 by 5, na? Here remaining part of x is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is coefficient of x, and constant term is 5. Why? Because constant term having no variables, and see, in this term having no variables, so the constant term is 5. Second, square root 2x plus 7. Okay, now here remaining part of x is square root of 2, remaining part of x square x is square root of 2. So coefficient of x is square root of 2, and constant term is 7, because in this term 7 have no variables, so this is the constant term. Okay, now x square plus 2. Okay, in this expression x term is not given. Okay, x is not given, so we can write it x square plus 0 into x plus 2. Okay, because x is missing, so we can write it 0 into x. Okay, so coefficient of x is 0, because here x remaining part is 0. So coefficient of x is 0 and constant term is 2 because 2 have no variables. Okay. Now see question number 4. Write one example of the following. Okay, one example सबको देना. You have to give the one example. First is a binomial with degree 4. Binomial. What is binomial? Binomial means in that expression having two terms and degree 4. Degree 4 means the highest power of the polynomial is 4. Okay, so see this example. This example having two terms, first and second, and degree 4 means highest power of the variables is 4. So this is the example of the binomial with degree 4. You can write any other example like y's power 4 plus 6 or y's power 6 y's power 4 plus y square plus 4 whatever है ना. Okay, second is trinomial with degree 6. Trinomial with degree 6. Trinomial means in which expression having three terms is called trinomial. Okay, and degree 6 means highest power of the variables is 6. And here see it in this expression having three terms, first, second and third. Okay, this is first, this is second term and this is third term. Okay, so this is trinomial and with degree 6 highest power of the variable is 6. So this is the example of trinomial with degree 6. Now third one is a monomial with degree 5. Monomial means which expression having only one term is called monomial. Okay, and degree 5 means variables highest power of the variable is 5. So see in this example only one term and highest power of the variable is 5. So 2x power 5 is example of a monomial with degree 5. Now see question number 5. Question number 5, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So let me revise. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is degree of the polynomial. Okay, see in this expression x cube minus 6x square plus x plus 1. What is the highest power of the variable? Highest power of the variable is 3. See here highest power of the variable is 3. So the degree of polynomial is 3. Now second one, 3 minus y cube plus y cube z. Okay. In this expression we have two variables y and z, and y's power is 3 and z power is 1. Z power is 1. So degree of polynomial is 3 plus 1 means 4, because we have two variables y and z, so we have to add the power of both variables. Okay, now third is polynomial does not have 7. Okay, because polynomial does not have variable, so degree of polynomial is 0. Okay, see question number 6. Question number 6 is find constant, linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial from the following. Okay, so we have to find out in given expressions which is constant polynomial, which is linear polynomial, which is quadratic and which is cubic polynomial. Okay, now for solving this question we have to make a table in 4 columns of constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Okay, now see what is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means variable which have no variables. Okay, which have no variables. So see in this question 8, 4 and minus 3 by 7 which have no variables. So this is the constant polynomial. And what is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means the highest power of the variable is 1. So highest power of the variable is 1 means here variable is t and t's power is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. And x plus 2 by 3, here x is variable and variable's highest power is 1. So x plus 2 by 3 is linear polynomial. And minus u by 4 plus 3 by 2, here variable is u and u's highest power is 1. So this is also a linear polynomial. Okay. Now quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means highest power of the highest power of the variables is 2. So in this expression, see highest power of the variable is y and highest power is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. And in this expression, variable is x and highest power of 2, variable of 2. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. And in this expression, variable is p and p's highest power is 2. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means highest power of the variable is 3. Highest power of in this variable is 3. So variable is x and highest power is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. And here variable is x and highest power is 3. Here variable is y and highest power of variable is 3. So y minus y cube is cubic polynomial. Now we have solved all questions from exercise. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And in next video I would explain you zeros of polynomial. Okay, bye.